Hi, hello friends. Very good evening. This is Nagarajan from the Market Decoder channel. Welcome to the pre-market report. So here we are looking at the Nifty's daily chart. So we will be seeing how the market is going to react and what will be the levels for tomorrow on an expiry day. We are going to see now. So let's begin with the price action on daily. So the price action is very clear. Nifty has formed again an insider candle with yesterday's inverted hammer. So today's low is 15,678 and it got closed at 15,692, somewhere around just 14 points difference between the day's low and the closure. So it is like the Nifty has really underperformed than Bank Nifty. So it is the symbol of weakness if the market is closing below yesterday's low, which is 15,659, then we will be seeing 15,500 and 15,440 levels. So those are going to be the levels. Let's mark those support levels. So this is going to be 15,580 and below that we have 15,500 levels. These are going to be the targets if yesterday's low is going to be breached. So 15,580 and 15,518 or 15,500, we can say these are going to be the targets if the market closes below yesterday's low. If in case market opens beyond today's open place, which is 15,729 was the open. So if market is able to open beyond that level, then the market can move up towards yesterday's low, today's high, which is going to be 15,783. And let's go to 1 hour chart and see, like, is there any pattern formed in the 1 hour chart. If you look at the 1 hour chart, it is very clear. The whole day the market was in sideways. Market opened at 15,749 and the high it made a low of 15,683 and today's high is 15,783, just 100 points. Market has traveled almost 6.5 hours just for 100 points. So what can happen is market has given a clear view here. Yeah, so market is in a declining position and it is in sideways. So market will try to, Nifty will try to just go towards this 800 to 830 levels. So that is the prediction for tomorrow, and even tomorrow also we can remain in sideways. If in case if the market opening below this, then definitely these two numbers 15,580 and 500 will be the targets. So I don't have a clear bullish view on this. Only if market sustains above 15,820 or 30 levels, then we can see 15,850 and 15,900 levels. Those are going to be the targets. Let's mark those as resistance. Yeah, these are going to be the targets. If 15,820 is taken out, then 15,058 and 15,886 will be the targets. So no much bullish view on this. Only when this trend line has to be is broken, we can see these levels, but it has very less chance. Let's have a look on the open interest. So 15,800 is having a huge amount of resistance and 15,700 is having a decent amount of support. So market can open above 15,700 levels as per the open interest chart. Let's see how market behaves tomorrow. And 15,600 and 15,500 remains a strong support, whereas 15,800, 900 and 16,000 remains a huge support. Huge resistance for tomorrow. So let's get into Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has not performed great, but it has outperformed than Nifty, because yesterday it was a shooting star and today even it is again a shooting star, or we can say it is a doji. It is a bullish doji which got closed above yesterday's level. If today's low is getting broken, which the today's low is around 33,249 or we can say 33,250, then again market can go towards yesterday's low, which is 33,123. So this level, which remains 33,000, remains a psychological support as well as a good support for this week. So if market is able to move up, then we will be having a good chance. we'll go to the lower time frame and see how market is going to behave for tomorrow. So same like Nifty, here also we have a descending trend line. Yeah, so we are very close to break the descending trend line. If the descending trend line is getting broken, then definitely there will be a retest and market will go towards 33,900 levels and 34,500 levels, 300 and 500 levels. It is not going to happen tomorrow itself, but these are going to be the levels if the trend line is getting broken, because market has already like oversold to a great extent. So here we have this is going to be a triangle pattern. It has a 80% chance to break upside and 20% chance to break in the downside. So let's see how, let's wait and watch. Usually the descending trend line will break in the upside. If it is breaking, the targets are going to be, the first target is around 33,600 levels, and next target is going to be 33,780, and third target is going to be 34,000. And if the market is breaking in the downside, the first target is going to be this, which is 33,150, and 33,000 is going to be the second target. So let's have a look on the Bank Nifty's open interest chart. So it is very evident like 33,000 remains a strong support, and 33,500 remains a good resistance, and 34,000 remains a huge resistance for tomorrow's expiry. So this resistance can be tested. If there is an unwinding in 33,500, then there can be a small momentum towards 33,600 and 700, because if this is getting unwinded, that is 33,500 is getting unwinded, then definitely 100 to 150 points will be easy move on the upside. That is all from the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's get into the investment stock. So today we are going to have a look at Whirpool. So the Whirpool current market price is around 1,512. We are looking at the monthly chart. In the monthly chart, the Whirpool has touched just few days back. It touched the COVID times low, which is 1,343 was the COVID time low, and last month it touched 1,365, which is just 2%. Having there is just 2% negligible amount of variation between the previous low and the current low. We can call it as a double bottom, and we are having, again, the market is struggling for Whirpool. So if if people are planning to go for an investment here in the Whirpool, then this is going to be a stop loss, which is 1,350 will be the stop loss, and definitely 20 to 30% we can expect the target. 1,712 will be the first target, and 1,850 and 1,900 will be the second targets. So these will be the first target, and this will be the second target, which is around 1,980. It will be taking some more time, but immediately it will not be seeing these targets. But if you have patience and trust in this company, definitely you can go for a trade here. For that, we need some confirmation. We'll go to 1 day chart to see if there is any sort of confirmation or reversals. So for now, market has been like, it is falling from 1,680 towards 1,500 levels. So if we are today, it got a inverted hammer, bullish inverted hammer. If there is a confirmation here on the next tomorrow, then definitely we can have a small trade with this 1,350 as a stop loss, and definitely 200 and 400 points will be the target. It is going to be 1:3 target risk reward ratio call. So please plan your trades and plan your position size, and then go for the investment. Let's have a small fundamental analysis on Whirpool India. So this is one concerning stuff, which is the stock PE is going to be 66.8. When we compare this with the sector's PE, it belongs to the consumer durables, and when you compare the PEs with other consumer durables, it is not a huge one. Already we have 80, 54, 45 and 2,124 as PEs in this sector. So what we can expect from this is, it has been performing really good. From the last quarter, it has performed really good with more than 100 crores of profit. It has a decent net profit around 84 crores, double than the previous quarter. EPS is 6.61, which is really good, and sales has like increased more than 200 crores. If you compare the profit before tax, it is also good when compared to the yearly profit is like more than 150 crores. 150 to 170 crore, 180 crores has been the good profit comparatively to the last year, and the net profit is also really good, and balance sheet is really clean when compared to other companies. So share capital is 127, reserves they have 3,231 crores. Borrowings is not a big deal when compared to this reserves. And fixed assets, they have increased in a huge amount, more than double they have increased from 707 crores to 1,808 crores, which is really huge. And other assets also, they are having almost like 3,800 crores. And debtor days like has increased by just 2 days. It's not a big deal. And they are remaining with a good stake. They have maintaining this good stake for almost like in 75%. FIIs has reduced the stake by almost like 2.25%, but DII has increased by their stake by a very few amount, and the public has reduced when just 0.2%. So the fundamentals is not really great, but it is not too bad as well. When compared to the price, it is really not bad. When we can say like it is still looking good. So and technicals are also saying like we can go for a trade. Now it is in a good valuation. So if you want to take trade, this is going to be the stop loss 1,350, and the targets are going to be 1,700 and 1,980 towards 2,000 rupees. So this is all for today's video. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.